Imagine stepping into your backyard on a warm, sunny day and seeing a beautiful olive tree gently swaying in the breeze, its silvery green leaves shimmering under the light. Tiny green olives hang quietly from its branches, waiting to ripen. You reach out, touch one, and realize something special. This is your tree, your harvest, your connection to nature. Growing an olive tree at home may sound like something reserved for Mediterranean landscapes, but the truth is, with the right approach, beginners across the United States can successfully grow and care for olive trees, even in containers. Olive trees are symbols of patience, resilience, and long-term reward. Unlike fast-growing vegetables, they take time to establish, but once they do, they become one of the most low-maintenance and rewarding plants you can grow. The secret lies in understanding their natural environment and recreating it as closely as possible. Olive trees thrive in warm, sunny climates. They need full sun, at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day. The more sunlight they receive, the stronger they grow and the better they produce fruit. If you live in warmer regions like California, Texas, or Arizona, outdoor planting works perfectly. In cooler climates, growing olive trees in containers is ideal, allowing you to move them indoors during winter. Temperature plays a key role in olive tree health. They prefer a range between 60°F and 85°F during the growing season. While mature olive trees can tolerate mild cold, young trees are sensitive to frost. Protecting them during freezing temperatures is essential, especially in northern states. Soil is where everything begins. Olive trees require well-draining soil above all else. They do not tolerate soggy conditions. A sandy or loamy soil mix works best, allowing water to pass through easily while still providing nutrients. If planting in containers, use a high-quality potting mix combined with sand or perlite for proper drainage. Planting an olive tree is simple but important. Choose a location with maximum sunlight and space for growth. If planting in a pot, ensure it has drainage holes and is large enough to support root expansion. Gently place the tree, fill with soil, and water lightly to settle it in. Watering olive trees requires balance. Unlike many plants, olives are drought-tolerant once established. Overwatering is one of the most common mistakes beginners make. Water deeply but infrequently, allowing the soil to dry out between watering sessions. During hot summer months, watering once or twice a week is usually sufficient, while in cooler seasons, less frequent watering is needed. Feeding your olive tree helps promote steady growth and fruit production. Use a balanced fertilizer during the growing season, typically in spring and early summer. Organic compost can also provide nutrients and improve soil structure. Avoid over-fertilizing, as this can lead to excessive leaf growth with fewer fruits. Pruning is essential for maintaining a healthy and productive olive tree. It improves airflow, shapes the tree, and encourages new growth. Remove dead or weak branches and thin out dense areas to allow sunlight to reach all parts of the tree. A well-pruned tree not only looks better, but produces better fruit. Olive trees grow slowly but steadily. Over time, they develop strong trunks and beautiful canopies. Watching this transformation is part of the joy of growing them. With patience, your tree will mature and begin producing olives. One of the most exciting moments is flowering. Olive trees produce small, delicate flowers that eventually turn into fruit. Proper care during this stage, especially consistent sunlight and moderate watering, ensures successful fruit development. Harvesting olives is a unique experience. Depending on the variety, olives can be picked when green or allowed to ripen into darker shades. Fresh olives are often bitter and require curing, but the satisfaction of harvesting your own is unmatched. Now let's look at common problems and simple solutions. If your olive tree has yellowing leaves, it may be due to overwatering or poor drainage. Adjust your watering routine and check your soil. If growth is slow, the tree may not be receiving enough sunlight. Move it to a brighter location. Pests like scale insects or aphids can appear, but they can be managed with neem oil or gentle cleaning of leaves. If your tree is not producing fruit, it may still be too young or lacking proper sunlight. Patience and consistent care are key. Growing an olive tree is not just about fruit. It's about creating something lasting. These trees can live for many years, becoming a part of your home and garden. Even if you don't have a large yard, container gardening makes it possible. A potted olive tree on a sunny balcony or patio can thrive beautifully with the right care. Another benefit is aesthetic appeal. Olive trees add a touch of elegance and calmness to any space. Their silvery leaves and natural form create a peaceful environment. Homegrown olives also offer a deeper connection to food. You knowing where your food comes from and caring for it yourself brings a sense of fulfillment that goes beyond taste. As your olive tree grows, it becomes more resilient and easier to care for. With time, it requires less attention while continuing to provide beauty and, eventually, fruit. This journey teaches patience and consistency. Unlike quick-growing plants, olive trees remind you that good things take time. Every leaf, every branch, and every fruit is a result of your care and dedication. So if you're ready to grow something meaningful and long-lasting, an olive tree is the perfect choice. It's simple, rewarding, and truly special. Start today. Plant your olive tree, give it sunlight and care, and watch it grow into something beautiful and productive. Learn how to grow olive trees at home with this beginner-friendly guide. Discover sunlight, watering, pruning tips, and secrets for healthy growth and fruiting. If you love learning about seasonal flowering plants, gardening tips, and nature care, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nature Nurture Hub, your home for year-round garden inspiration. Let's keep growing together.